Hello and welcome to Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley Lundy and I'm here at BISH'S RV doing a quick tour of a new unit that just arrived, a 2018 Fleetwood Axon 29M. First time I've actually seen one of these in the couple years I've been here, so I'm really excited to show it to you today. First off, I want to come over to the side here and show you something that's pretty rare on a motorhome. Yes, we have our outside speakers, large storage, and outside TV, full-length awning, but here we also have a little mini outdoor kitchen with a microwave. Don't normally see that in here. One of my favorite things about this one. And now I want to go ahead and show you the inside. So of course we have our swivel seats here. We're going to have a drop-down bed. This is on your standard Ford chassis with that Triton V10. You're going to also have options for beds on both of these seating areas. So that's going to give you a total of 4 beds in the entire thing. Another large TV right here. Solar charge controller, so we do have solar on the roof of this one. It also comes with very spacious counter space as well as a very large bathroom. I'll let you take a peek in here. See that counter space? I know I personally, I'm a girl, I have all my bathroom stuff, I want that counter space. So it's one of those things I notice. And of course in the back here we actually have a king size bed. Plenty of space back here, nice little lighting, and of course all of these cabinets are a little different style than you typically see. They're a lot cleaner, nice large deep. Huge wardrobe back in the corner here, and another TV in the bedroom with more counter space. So if you're looking for something that's around that 30-foot length, but you want counter space, you want a large bed, this is a great unit to consider. Great price point, a lot to offer. And I appreciate you watching our little walkthrough today. If you found this informative, please like and subscribe. And again, my name is Ashley at BISH'S RV.